Order of the day. I'm checking in at this place called The Dive. I don't know if it's a bar or a restaurant or what it is, but I seen 14 items and I said, you know what, that's probably gonna be a catering order. Let me accept that. We're using the Galaxy Z Flip 3 today, so I didn't have my DoorDash widget active, but I got it right here and we ready to go. So as you can see right there, it's requiring a picture of that catering bag, so we're gonna go ahead and get that thing popping. Yes, I will allow photos while I'm using the app. You know how I go. Let's get a picture of this catering bag. This out, they got DoorDash coupons, $5 off your first $15 or more food. That's just perfect. How many bags we got? A lot? All good, take your time. So if you ever in the spot, come on by the Dive Bar and get you some food. You get $5 off your DoorDash
Best bar food in town.
You heard it right there. Ain't come from my mouth, came from the cook's mouth, so hey, you know it's true. We got our catering order picked up. Let's go ahead and get it all inside that catering bag. We got 1, 2, and 3 nice bags, and they fit perfectly inside that catering bag. Let's go ahead and get it delivered. So this here is downtown Sioux Falls. We just north of downtown. So if you're ever in Sioux Falls, come on down here. They got some great spots to eat down here. You know, some nice things to see. Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Got $7.18 at Papa John's. I'm gonna go ahead and take that. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next order of the evening, we got $12.50 for 5.4 miles, 6 items at Panera. And I'm right here, already there. I love it when they send me an order and I'm right there, because a lot of times... So that Panera order was not ready when I got there, but it's all good though. I checked the subtotal on this one. We got $80 in food. So it was like a hop and a skip away from being a catering order, but it only came in at $80. But it is in a nice big old bag, so we good. Higher chance for a extra hidden tip on this one, but it's showing me $12.50 for a couple of miles down the highway, honestly, so you know what, I'm good with it either way. Alrighty, dropped that order off. We handed it directly to the customer. $12.50 is what was shown on that Panera order, so let's see if it changes. Nope, but a $10 tip is good. For that miles to money ratio, I'll do that. Order of the evening, I got a $6.50 order at McKenzie River Pizza. Now I like this one because it's a good chance that it might go up. This is one of them high-end pizza spots downtown, so I'm gonna go ahead and accept that. Hopefully it's a catering order because the price can vary dramatically on these items, but we're gonna check in and see. Alrighty, this is downtown Sioux Falls. Look at it, it's just beautiful, ain't it? A lot of nightlife going on over here. We finna head on over into McKenzie River and pick up this order. Just so happens to be $105 in food, so this one is gonna be a catering order. So got pretty lucky with this. See if they got it ready. McKenzie River Pizza Company. Got $105 in food right here. Now let's go get it delivered. That offer was great. It ended up turning into $22 and some change after the fact. And we got our next order. Fierro Pizza, $6.50, 6 item, 3.9 miles. Let's see if I can see the item count on this. 3 cookies. I don't know, man. Them 3 cookies throwing me off. Them 3 cookies is throwing me off. Nah, I think I'm gonna leave that one alone. I don't know about that. We got $6.50 for 3.9 miles, and that is not a bad offer, but it's the time of night it is. There's a lot of catering orders out here, so I'm not gonna take that. Order is too small for me. We're gonna be checking in that Pizza Hut next. We got $6.50, 3.9 miles, 8 items on that thing. I'll take that. That Pizza Hut order was ready to go. Got it in the pizza bag, hot, ready. Let's go ahead and get it delivered. $6.50 for 3 miles with this one shown. Hopefully it goes up. Got that $6 add-on for Papa John's, $6 for an additional 2.8 miles. Let's get it all day. I'm gonna do that. Let's go make this money. Alrighty, nice little DoorDash dinner shift. We did really good today. We did $65.70 on this dash that we just ended, and on the dash before that we had one order, that catering order, and it was $14.50. So all together that's $89, 90 bucks. We made $90.20, y'all. So only on DoorDash today, we did a total of, so let me start this over. We did one order earlier. It was a catering order. Final payout for that one was $14.50, and it says it took me exactly 50 minutes to complete that order, which is ridiculous because I thought that order was gonna go up by more. But then on my second dash, that dash we ended up going for 2 hours exactly, made $65.70. So that's good right there. So we're gonna add that up right quick. $65.70 plus $14.50.
$6,570 plus $1,450 is $8,020.
So we did $65.70 on this dash for 2 hours, and we did $14.50 for 40 minutes of work earlier in the day. So together, that's $80.20 for about, rounding it up, we'll say 3 hours of work. That's good money right there. I would take that any day of the week. Only with DoorDash too. No multi-app tonight, surprisingly. Normally I do multi-app, but I didn't even need to hit my goal. Nice. And usually I work for about 4 or 5 hours, but hey, 80 bucks in 3 hours, I'll take it. Cause you know what? I don't need to stay out for 1 more hour because that's gonna be another 20 bucks, but it could be more, but I'm good. I'm back home, about to mix this video down. I'm about to do some editing. We good to go. I'll catch you in the next one.